What's up guys, welcome to another video. So it's been a long time I have not made any vlog. There was lots of exam going on, so it ended by the way a few days ago. And right now I'm in Bhalukpong, which is near the Tezpur. Tezpur is in Assam, about 50 to 60 kilometers from the Tezpur, and which is in the Arunachal and the Assam border, and it's a very beautiful place. So I have come to see this place, and right now I'm near the river. The name of this river is, I think the name of this river is
across the river.
Zia Bhorli, and
It is across the river.
and there is one place called TAMEN National Park, which is on the that side of the river. For that we have to go to that side.
With
And
boat, by boat. Nah.
We can go through boat. It's a national park, and let me show you the river. And we have come for a little bike ride in this Bhalukpong. We will go to Arunachal and we'll ride for a while there. See this place, the water. It's a very dirty one right now. It's a picnic spot, so lots of people come here and do picnic here. The water, it's flowing very fast. The waves are very fast and strong. The water is not so clean these days because the weather is rainy season these days. It's been raining since few days in Assam, so the water is not so clean these days. Otherwise it is very clear and blue, and these kids are fishing. Let's ask them if they caught any fish or not. Bhai Naini. So this is my friend Mahendra, and these two are my brother. His name is Zafung Sar, and that one is Vicky. He is also my brother. You know, the sound is different in the every height. In every meter the sound is different. At this above like 1.5 meter or 2 meter, the sound is different. You will hear the sound is little bit less in the above, but if you sit or if you are near the ground, the sound is more loud, it's more noisy. I don't know you are able to appreciate it here or not, but in this real one I can clearly differentiate the difference in sound. So that's what I have noticed here. And all those boys are fishing. There is one island in the middle of the river. Picnic spot. Some people have come here for the picnic, and they are playing music. Right now we are in Bhalukpong in Arunachal.
It's very cold here.
Very cold here. The weather is very windy, cold. It's not raining, but it's very cold here. See that river? Beside there is waterfall. road is not so good here. লাহেকে চলাবি দে নহ'লে পুৰা চিটকি যাব आराम से view is mesmerizing. Wow. Literally, we are in the clouds now. What a view.
We are above the clouds now.
See this. Now we have come to the riverside. Let's feed some monkeys. brought
Food.
some biscuits. Let's see if they eat or not.
Yeah, sir.
Go there. Take it. Take it. Come. Let's see how close they will come. They're scared. They're ready to eat. He's also eating biscuit. Okay, last one. Left. Okay, done. Done. Okay, now let's go. Okay, done feeding monkeys. Now we'll go back to home. Do like, share and subscribe.